Hi guys, welcome back. This is my final project for Kitaholic Kits for the month of January, and I am doing a traveler's notebook layout that was heavily inspired by the cover page on the paper pack that we got this month. So I loved these strips and I measured them and they fit perfectly inside a traveler's notebook size layout. So I'm taking some of my favorite colors and I am going to cut them into strips, distress them, stick them on the one side, and then I'm going to take the flower stencil that we got in the mixed media kit, and I'm going to use my distress oxide to do some what do you call this, ink blending. Oh, my COVID brain's not happy, I tell you what. Anyway, so I do some ink blending on this other side in somewhat matching colors, or colors that I hope match, and then I'm going to sorry about that, and then I'm going to do my photos and stick that all down. So what I've done is, because it's all matchy-matchy, on the opposite side I am going to take stickers and chipboard that matches the colours of those strips, and I'm going to stick the word phrase stickers on those matching colours to create kind of like a rainbow vibe. I do lose some footage. I honestly have no idea like why. I filmed all of these videos while I had COVID. My brain was not working. I think I just forgot to turn on the camera. Honestly, I'm so sorry. Anyway, so with that done, with the ink blending done, the bottom bit, it didn't quite reach the whole way. So the bottom bit doesn't look perfect, but I do cover it up with a photo. This is a Tim Holtz glaze, and it just seals in that distress oxide. And I only discovered it recently, but it's such a good idea. It actually makes it a little bit brighter as well. So if you were ever wondering how I get it to not leak, that's how. This is where I lose my footage, I'm sorry. So I've stuck some stickers on the sides, on both sides. I've stuck my photos down. This is about Justin's nonna coming to visit the girls earlier this month. And I'm going back and forth with my title, what would fit there, because I've got this little label. And I think in the end I'm going to use one of the chipboard titles, and then I'm going to add the little puffy alphas that I used previously as well. Oh yeah, my glue ran out. So honestly, guys, I'm a bit of a disaster this month. I'm sorry about that. Next month I'll be A game again. What's next? What's it going to be called? These Moments, I think, is... look at that, I remember. So yeah, with that title and my journaling, this is going to be done. I'm also going to add the date somewhere. And yeah, adding some sprinkly bits. I love how this looks. I love how the two pages mimic each other, but they're totally different textures. And yeah, now I'm adding my date and I'm done. I'll see you all again next month in better form, I promise. Bye.